Hey, data enthusiasts. Ready to turn raw data into valuable insights? Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's Data Analyst series. Today we're jumping into one of the most powerful tools for data manipulation in Python, Pandas. Whether you're cleaning, sorting, or analyzing data, Pandas makes it quick, easy, and dare I say fun. So grab your keyboards and let's dive into the world of Pandas. So what is Pandas? Imagine having a supercharged Excel sheet but in Python. It's a library that helps you handle and analyze data efficiently without all the manual labor of spreadsheets. Whether you're pulling data from a C file or an entire database, Pandas is the go-to tool for data manipulation. Think of it this way, Pandas makes working with messy, complex data feel like a walk in the park. It's like having a personal assistant that organizes your data so you can focus on what really matters analyzing it. First things first, let's import some data. Pandas makes it super easy to pull in data from a variety of sources, but today, let's start with a classic CSV file. Import Pandas as PID, load data from a C file, display the first few rows of the dataset. Just like that, with a couple of lines of code, you've got your data loaded into a Pandas DataFrame. Want a sneak peek at the first few rows? Head is your friend. It gives you a quick look at the dataset structure so you can get a feel for what you're working with. Alright, now that our data is loaded, it's time to explore it. Pandas gives us some handy tools like info and describe to understand the layout and the stats of your dataset. To get a summary of the dataset, to get basic statistics of numerical columns. Info breaks down the structure, how many rows, columns, and what kind of data you're working with. And describe. It's like a stats cheat sheet for your numerical columns. You'll see the mean, standard deviation, and other key figures. Now, let's get hands-on. Selecting and filtering data is super important, and Pandas makes it feel as natural as scrolling through your phone. Need specific columns or want to filter rows based on conditions? Easy. First, select specific columns, then filter rows where age is greater than 30. Here, we're pulling out just the name, age, and salary columns and filtering the rows where the age is above 30. In seconds, you've zeroed in on the data you care about. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Let's be real, dealing with missing data can be a headache, but with Pandas, it's not a big deal. Whether you want to drop rows with missing values or fill them in, you've got options. For removing rows with missing values, for filling missing values with a default value. Drop the rows with dropna if you're feeling ruthless, or use fillna to patch things up with default values. Missing data doesn't stand a chance. I want to add or tweak columns. No problem. Pandas makes creating new columns or deleting old ones a breeze. Say, for example, we want to calculate the yearly salary based on the monthly figures, or just get rid of a column we no longer need. In just 2 steps, we've created a new yearly salary column by multiplying the salary column by 12. And if there's a column cluttering up your data frame, just drop it like it's hot. Pandas also lets you sort and group data effortlessly. I want to see the highest paid employees, or group people by age and check the average salary. Easy peasy. Let's sort the data by salary. Then group data by age and calculate mean salary for each group. Sorting data with sort_values is like ranking your favorite movies, it's that easy. And grouping by categories like age, that's where the power of Pandas really shines.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
And there you have it. You've just scratched the surface of what you can do with Pandas. Next up, we'll dive even deeper into more advanced techniques to supercharge your data analysis workflow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep the learning going strong. See you in the next video.